Right, what we're going to make is some crushed courgettes. Really nice, really aromatic, lots of fresh herbs, even dried herbs as well, with olive oil, and it's amazing. That's pretty much what the recipe is. It's from the Ottolenghi cookbook, and this is what it should look like once it's done. It's a great side dish, crushed courgettes, which is simply amazing. So 3 courgettes, just going to simply slice the ends off these, cut these into half lengthways, and then the ingredients, we've got some mint, we've got some thyme, we've got some fresh mint, we've got some fresh dill, we've got half a lemon and the juice, and we're going to use some salt and some pepper. And on top of that, we're also going to use some wild garlic, which is in season, which will be fantastic with this. So I'm just going to prep up the courgettes. It's a slice them in half. Doesn't have to be accurate because we're not using them for anything decorative. And then cut these into half again, roughly 6 centimetres. So they're pretty much ready. What we're going to do then, we're going to put them all onto a tray. So we just place it on the tray as so. Just going to squeeze the lemon. Right, so the courgettes are all set on the tray like so. Then we're just going to sprinkle a little bit of the dried mint. Courgette and mint do really go well together. A bit of the thyme as well. Salt also is quite important, it brings the juices out. So now we're going to put the pepper over the top. Finally, the olive oil. It's quite important we drizzle this. The oven's preheated to 200 degrees and then put that in the oven for up to 15 minutes. Alexa, set the timer for 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Right, so while that's in the oven, I've just peeled a whole garlic head. And once the 15 minutes is up, we're going to add that to the tray and bake for another 15 minutes. So I've just squeezed the lemon. I'm just going to add the fresh mint to that. And I'm also going to add the dill to that. So that's just going to be ready just to put on top once it's all mashed. So now just chopping the dill up. Just ask for 1.5 tablespoons dill. That too is also going to go with the mint and the lime. Right, so the courgettes have done. They've been in half an hour along with the garlic head. So that's absolutely perfect. They're just supposed to just go a nice golden colour. And then what we're to do now is just put this into a colander. The excess juices from the courgettes, and then also peel the garlic. So it's always great to use a little tool here. So what we're going to do there is we're going to put some weight on top of that and just drain most of the fluids out. So now this has been drained from the colander. Just put this all to one side. These are all the garlics have been in the oven. Add in. And then we're just going to slice up the courgettes. And all this is going to go into a small bowl. Simply mash that with the garlic. So once that's done, put it back in the colander actually and just drain a little bit more of the juices out. It's now ready to serve up onto a serving plate. That smells absolutely amazing. Really combines well, garlic, mint and courgettes really are a match made in heaven. This is a fantastic side dish to go with pretty much anything really. Then we've finally got the dressing just to go on top. And there we have the crushed courgettes with the dill, mint and garlic. Absolutely amazing. Really good and really healthy. A really fantastic vegan dish. Hope you're really loving the channel.